So to blanch vegetables, example, to blanch carrots, you would pour boiling water on the carrots. That also takes care of sanitizing or getting rid of bacteria. And then you cool it off by putting ice blocks, ice on top of the vegetables or the carrots. I have blanched carrots. I put them in my ziplock bag. I've got my straw here, and look what happens. I vacuum, I suck out all the air, and it's ready to be frozen. Cool, looks like a little submarine over here. So I put the straw inside the Ziploc bag and watch and see what happens when I blow in. And that vacuum packed my Ziploc bag, so really you don't need to get any fancy tools to do that. I just used a straw.